I like this guy. This guy is so professional. Tell them, bro.
Our motherland is bleeding and we need an ambulance, cause the land I love is dying and I'm talking to my fans. So let me see your hands in support for the struggle. Please shut your mouth if you ain't gonna hustle. Man, I'm shedding tears for my brother's sacrifices. I just wanna right the wrongs, but I know I'm not righteous. Zommi till I die, I don't need advices. I love Kuki Zomi more than me, so I'm not biased.
Yo, that is the word, guys. Hello, Kuki people, Zogam, Zomi, all the cookies here, Sepai Kale Move, Nadam Namo. Hope everyone is doing well. So today we have one suggested music video by the title Zogam Kahlaa feat. Robert Minthang. You can tell me what does it mean? Zogam Kahlaa. Tell me the meaning, guys. And yeah, let's do it. Don't forget, subscribe here, guys, because I'll be regularly reacting to the Kuki people, Northeast especially, guys. Love from Africa. Let's go. MS Media. Zogam Kahlaa. What does it mean? Robert Minthang.
Say no sa tamtelong
Okay, amazing subtitle is provided, guys. We will upload it on invasion on our land. We for our land. Igam 1,000 years has passed. Okay, tell them, bro.
Say no sa tamtelong Igam singdang wadi napal na ya.
Invasion on our land. Would you live for our land even if it is 1,000 years has passed? Will you? Comment yes, no. Strive harder for our sacrifice. So come when will the sound of the crying faces? Down the apple of my eyes, I love you the more. I refuse to let the enemy invade our home. Never ever, don't accept. As long as my warm blood is flowing. But fight harder, bro, never ever give up. That is Zomi, people. That flag is Zomi or Kuki? Oh, I like this guy. This guy is so professional. Tell them, bro.
Our motherland is bleeding and we need an ambulance, cause the land I love is dying and I'm talking to my fans. So let me see your hands in support for the struggle. Please shut your mouth if you ain't gonna hustle. Man, I'm shedding tears for my brother's sacrifices. I just wanna right the wrongs, but I know I'm not righteous. Zommi till I die, I don't need advices. I love Kuki Zomi more than me, so I'm not biased.
Yo, that is the word, guys. Wait a minute. You see what this guy said? I love Kuki Zomi, Zogam, or hmar. You guys should be one, okay? You are all one. The musician, the artist is also saying, I love you all, guys. So I don't want to hear in the comments section later, this song is only Zogam, Zogam, Zogam. You people are all together. I love you all. Kuki, Zogam, Zomi. Let's do it. That's true.
Inside of me, I will keep on fighting the cause, never giving the land to the enemies. If you want a problem, I'ma give it out for free.
Let's leave your land.
Reality, your eyes can clearly see. Get it? Tell me where my brothers at, where my brothers at.
Where's
so
my
what
brother
if you disagree? I still got my brothers back. Now the graveyard is full, I just want my brothers back. You may hate what I'm saying, but I'm standing on the fact. Rhythmic
on the fact. That is the fact. Lana is busy, forbidden, demands Obama the fighting to kiss the invaders.
Kursin tangsa lai som tingo nung liap tu git bang hung din sian boy na in tang bang dam tang bang dam
Amen. The God is alive. Our God is alive. The God will never leave you guys. I love you, Lord. I refuse to let the enemy to invade our bravery. As long my warm blood is flowing. Straight out. Wow, this is so amazing, man. This is the best music I'm listening now. This is unity. Amazing. Those guys are inspiring their own people. This is so inspiring, guys. Like this video. I love it. Which one is this? Is this Kuki Zogam? The traditional one, the traditional dress. Zogam when you hear the sound of your crying. Zogam the apple of my eyes, I will love you the more. I refuse to the enemy to invade our home ever allow this. As long as my warm blood is flowing. As long as my warm blood is flowing. Don't give up, let it flow but never give up, bro. Let the blood flow but never ever give your land to the enemy, man. This is all you need to hear, man. Zogam is the apple of my eyes. What an inspiring music, man. Amazing, guys. Amazing. They just made it, guys. Whoever watched this music, it will be shameful for you to live without liking this. This song is not only for Zogam, it's not only for Kuki, it's not only for Zomi or for Ahmad, man. This is for all of you guys. You should all be proud of this song. And I love this guy. I don't know if I reacted to him before. Let me check. Yes. This guy, Rhythmic Zomi. This guy is really a good musician out there. You should also support him. I listened to one of his collaboration song by the title Where is the Love? And this guy is like, when it comes to talent, just honestly, no, he is talented, guys. You should support his channel firstly. I'm requesting everyone who followed me should follow this guy also, Rhythmic Zomi channel. Support him. And if it is your first time, also subscribe my channel and do subscribe to him. It's really giving not only a music, it's giving the message to the world, guys. And he doesn't care if you hate him because he's telling the fact. This is the truth. This is the reality. And you guys should accept yourself, whether you're Zomi, Kuki, Zogam. Previous, when I used to react to Zogam videos, Kuki videos, guys, still I get like, I feel like the Kuki people and the Zomi, Zogam, the other people, like, there's, I feel, what I know, you guys are like from same place, right? Maybe there is sub-tribe there, but see, some people here, they don't like, they don't want them to be called it Kuki if they are Zogam. And also people from Kuki, they are telling me that the Zomi people are also Kuki people. So I'm confused. Anyway, I'm not here to clarify that. But what I'm just trying to say, guys, you people are really beautiful to be together. Amazing, especially the Kuki people, the Zomi people. I see similarity among you guys. I don't know, does Kuki and Zomi or hmar, they speak different language, guys? Is it true or not? Anyway, guys, you should love this music and you should protect your land, guys. This is so amazing, so inspiring. God bless you all, guys. I love you all, whether Kuki, Zomi, Zogam, hmar, all of you. Love from Africa. Don't forget, subscribe, guys. Share this music. Till next time. Never let the enemies to invade your land. Peace out.